It's nice to be the supervisor. Slowly. You need all your help at the bottom just to put him back into the cage, okay? One, two, three. Yeah.
The anaesthetic gives Peter Rogers and his team a chance to check over the 12-year-old lion. He'll spend a few weeks in this cage before being returned to his enclosure for observation.
I still want to inject him and everything, Mark. It's very exciting to be part of this project because they feel that there are perhaps not many Barberries, if any, that are really pure, that are left even in captivity. They feel that over time other animals from other genetic bases are brought in. So there's a big project afoot at Oxford University to do the genetics. So that's just getting off the ground now. Okay. We just put under the skin of the neck if we can find the skin under this big beard of his. Normally lions wouldn't have this many ticks, but being from Italy, a European lion, he doesn't have that innate or inherent resistance to ticks. It does come with time. Like a bit of a bit like this. So what we can do is we can put him in there and roll him over inside there. His eyes closed. Immediate term now is to get these ones to breed. And we'll take it day by day from there and see how it goes. But the prime object initially was just to get these animals back into good health, and it's developed into something a lot bigger. Yeah.